How you feeling after that?
I feel like it could have been better. You know, gave up 6 runs in the second and then came out, got 4 in the third. So I think if that second inning doesn't happen, I think I got another chance. You know, pitching wise, Matt probably wouldn't have struggled, but you know, it was wet. So I got lucky there. Yeah. How you feeling about your first win?
You know, feel pretty good, keeping the streak going. But I'm not gonna blame a whole lot of it on how wet it is, but that was definitely a factor in today's game. Took Dom a year to finally get a hit off of me. Even though he was 1 for 7 today. Other than that, felt pretty good at the plate. It was a little buggy out. There was a lot of mosquitoes and gnats because it was wet. But yeah, I feel pretty good. Nothing new. Dom just gets lucky, so I'm still dominant, so I don't really care. But